Hello everyone and welcome you back to my channel where the news come first on Reality Latest Gist, the headlines. Governor Fubara of Rivers State has firmly responded to the recent criticism. He said that pro-Wike lawmakers come to the media and dance, but they cry in secret. Moving on after this, we have the PDP in Edo State suspend Dan Obi, the SARSAT vice chairman, over anti-party activities. But my people, before I go bring the matter, I beg make una no go anywhere. I no go like make una miss this wonderful news. So my wonderful people, I thank una well for joining me on today's news. I really do appreciate. If today na your first time to join our wonderful channel, beg may you like, subscribe and share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell so that anytime our news drop, now you could be the first to watch. And my people, be small matter they happen for this country, but make una they calm down. I go to bring the matter one after the other as they come our way. To all amazing subscribers, I welcome you. Especially thank you so much for joining us on today's news. Alright my people, may we dive into the main story. Governor Fubara of Rivers State don't firmly respond to the recent criticism by reasserting his dedication to serving his constituents and defending the achievements of his administration. So addressing allegation of neglect, Fubara expressed his sincere intention to support the Rivers State lawmakers loyal to NSI0N Wike, Minister of the Capital Territory, stating that he disregarded stupidity. But those involved thinking that they were dormant, they should hear this, that he genuinely aimed to assist them because he knows them. So the governor made this statement while receiving a solidarity visit from a delegation comprising the leadership, stakeholders, opinion leaders, women and youth of Iche and Omuma local government area, led by Obako Iche. Highlighting the direct involvement with local communities, Governor Fubara emphasized that people he personally supported, including paying school fees for their children and their house rent. So they all knew what happened when they defected. And how did they defect? Because of their God. That for them to make that mistake, they crossed and they are gone. Right now, they are gone. So right now, he's trying to tell everyone that when he wanted to help them, that he accepted to help them because they are all one. And they disagree to agree as it is. Regarding criticism of this public service experience, Fubara said that he had managerial roles and he wasn't destitute, so he had enough to sustain himself and important people. Governor Fubara was asked about his leadership. He said that he remained resolute, saying that if they claim ignorance on his part that he was a reserve manager and he wanted them to understand the consequences when they cross paths due to the divine justice. So looking ahead to the future plan, Governor Fubara discussed his preparation for the 2025 budget, affirming that he have already begun planning, ensuring transparency and accountability. So Fubara addressed critics directly. He said no say they can perform in media, but behind lies the truth and they all stand firm and speak truthfully. So they are asking for one thing from them. They should support them because their interest is very clear and straight. They mean well for the people. They want everyone to be free and they want to lead with the fear of God. They want them to express themselves without fear. Two is assuring the River State people that they're on the right track, that with their support they are going to get there, that they should not allow anybody to deceive them. They can come to the media and dance. When they go behind, they can cry. That he knows very well that that is the truth. That they don't know how to dance, but they can say it the way it is and stand tall anywhere they go. My people, Fubara knows Wike and Wike knows Fubara. Time will heal their conflict of interest. So those fanning the amber of disunity between them will never be the lucky loser. Because those two people understand themselves. After they don't fight finish, they go resolve. So my people, I go like know what I think about this matter in the comment section. I go like hear from una once again. Thank you so much for staying to with us. Moving on to the next one. In a statement on Wednesday, Debolu Bunawa, the National Publicity Secretary, said Dan Obi was suspended over his comments against Aswe Hodalo, the party candidate in the forthcoming Edo governorship election. In May, Dan Obi kicked against Aswe Hodalo candidacy, insisting that the people of the Edo state would only vote for someone who would give them a sense of belonging. Dan Obi said with all that before them today, that it is not about the PDP, APC or Labour Party, that what is before them is the future of Edo people. That whoever will address the problem of their people and give the people a strong sense of belonging is the person they are going to vote for. So let them pray to God to give them the wisdom and direction. They must go. So they cannot be fooled a second time. The Edo chapter of the PDP have been dealing with an internal crisis since the governorship primary election in February, which produced Aswe Hodalo as their candidate. Some aggrieved members of the party had approached the court after the primary election. So a federal high court in Abuja invalidated the PDP primary election that produced Aswe Hodalo as their flag bearer. Just on Wednesday, Olugbunawa said that Dan Obi's action and comments regarding the governorship primary election were not in line with the party constitution. So he said the National Working Committee has established a 6-member committee led by Tofik Aragbaja, their Deputy National Chairman South, to investigate Dan Obi. The National Working Committee of the People Democratic Party, at their 588th meeting today, Wednesday, July 10th, 2024, consider all issues including compliance on the activities of the National Vice Chairman SASA, Chief Dan Obi, concerning the September 21st, 2024 governorship election. Now, the National Working Committee are saying that they condemn the embarrassing action and utterance of Chief Dan Obi relating to the Edo State governorship primary election of their great party, which action and utterance are inconsistent with the provision of the constitution of the PDP as amended in 2017 and the demand of his office as a national office of the party. In the meantime, the National Working Committee forthwith suspend Dan Obi from participating in all meetings, activities and programs of the National Working Committee pending the conclusion of an investigation by the committee. My people, before on the 19th of June, the PDP in Edo don't expel Dan Obi, Philip Shaibu, the former deputy governor of the Edo State, and Obede Hama, an ex-member of the House of Representatives who represented the Oredo Federal Constituency. O.J. Vasco, the PDP spokesperson in Edo State, said Philip Shaibu, Dan Obi, and Obede Hama were expelled over alleged anti-party activities. So the State Working Committee decided on the suspension after they intensively deliberated on the issue, adding that the sanction was with immediate effects. Meanwhile, Dan Obi rejected his suspension, saying that it did not follow due process. He didn't end there. He went on to tell journalists that when a group of persons sits down to make pronouncements that are unconstitutional, that it only shows that they are ignorant of the constitution of the party. But people be small matter. So now the National Working Committee don't come decide on Dan Obi matter. They said they go suspend her because what he was doing was an anti-party activities. He was directly campaigning for Mondo Bobolo. That is the truth, the APC candidate. So guys, I would like to know what you think about this matter in the comment section. I would like hear from Muna once again. Thank you all so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the channel latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, I thank you all so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Bye for now.